What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra still won't get a controversial dropping camera. New smartphone renders show a more elegant solution to the Galaxy Note style design flagship. It is possible that the flowing camera Galaxy S22 Ultra is a misinterpretation of the module's design due to the renders of the cover manufacturers. The source published new high-quality renders of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra smartphone, and on them, the main camera looks more elegant. Instead of one large common irregular protrusion, two are almost symmetrical. The previous version, we recall, assumed combining all modules into one common block, which created the feeling that the module located below all seemed to flow outside the block. And this is how the Galaxy S22 Ultra camera looked into the first renders. Based on data from cover manufacturers, where did such discrepancies come from? The source gives an interesting version. So, the monolithic block appeared on the renders made on the basis of the data of the cover manufacturers. This version is also supported by a photo of an aluminium blank used by cover manufacturers. But the cutout in this case is one thing, and the camera unit itself is another. There is no strict correspondence between them, because the camera shown in the new images with two islands can easily fit into one large cutout of the cover. In general, it is not yet clear which version of the Galaxy S22 camera will go into official final production, but the theory of the source leaks quite true. In this case, we are waiting for the flagship Samsung, with the camera visually divided into two blocks. Recall that the official premiere of the Galaxy S22 smartphones is expected early next year. Although mass production may begin in November, the devices will receive SoC Exynos 2200 and Snapdragon 898, as well as Android 12 with One UI 4.0. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus is revealed in different colors, with packaging showed on high-quality renders. Resource Let's Go Digital has published new high-quality images of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus smartphone, which were created by technical designer Technizo Concept. Mobile World Congress MWC 2022 kicks off on 28 February. Shortly before MWC officially announced the new models, they will then be shown at an exhibition in Barcelona. The lineup is expected to include 3 models. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.